Power BI is not just a skill, it is a career accelerator. In 2025, Power BI developers in the United States average over $110,000 a year, with top earners crossing $150,000. Nearly 1 in 3 analyst job postings now require Power BI. This is a skill that directly boosts your income potential. Whether you are climbing the corporate ladder, freelancing, or leading a business, mastering Power BI pays for itself many times over. Every business runs on data, but raw numbers do not tell a story until you know how to shape them. Power BI is one of the most powerful tools for turning messy spreadsheets into clear, interactive dashboards. And that is exactly what this bootcamp workbook, Mastering Power BI Bootcamp, is designed to teach you. In the first part of the bootcamp, we start with the essentials. You will learn how to connect to multiple data sources like Excel, databases, and cloud services. You will practice cleaning and transforming messy data into clean insights. You will build scalable data models using star schema best practices. Everything is explained in beginner-friendly language, with exercises that let you practice right away. Next, we dive into dashboards, the heart of Power BI. You will learn to create interactive reports with charts, maps, and KPIs that respond instantly when you click. Imagine presenting to your team and letting them explore the data themselves. That is the power of interactivity. You will also cover writing DAX formulas, which unlock advanced analytics. The bootcamp breaks it down step by step, with mock tests and answer keys to check your understanding. Once your dashboards are built, you will learn how to publish and share them securely in the Power BI service. Collaboration is key, and this bootcamp shows you how to make sure your reports are accessible but protected. You will also cover performance optimization, because nobody likes a slow dashboard. You will discover techniques to make your reports lightning fast, even with large datasets. And here is where it gets really exciting. Power BI's AI features. You will practice using AI visuals, forecasting trends, and even natural language queries, so you can literally ask your data questions in plain English. This is where analytics meets innovation. Let us circle back to the big picture, career growth. With Power BI skills, analysts often earn 10 to 30% more than peers without them. Consultants can charge premium rates for building dashboards. Business leaders who master these tools make faster, smarter decisions that directly impact profitability. This is not just learning software, it is investing in your future. This bootcamp is not just about reading, it is about doing. With case studies, exercises, summaries, quizzes, and mock tests, you will build confidence step by step. By the end, you will be able to turn raw numbers into stories that inspire action and increase your earning potential. So grab your copy of Mastering Power BI Bootcamp, and let us start transforming your data together. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you do not miss the next lesson. Let us master Power BI and master the future of data.